Hello, and welcome to another Tax Talk Tuesday. My name is Nick Benson, a staff accountant here at JAK CPA. Winter is upon us, and that means the end of 2022 is not far behind. What this means is that it's time to start getting your year-end tax matters in order. Now, there's a lot of things to handle when it comes to year-end tax matters. Everyone has their own list to deal with, whether they're an individual, a corporation, or anything in between. Today we're going to focus on year-end work for individuals to hopefully make preparing for tax season a little less stressful. Now, there's a lot of basic tips that you've probably already heard. These include easy questions like, did you get married, did you buy a house, and so on. And those are important, but today I'd like to talk to you about some maybe less common points. First off, some COVID-related exceptions are expiring this year. In general, you'll just want to watch out for this if you've been taking advantage of the COVID tax deductions in the last few years. The most relevant exception that's ending this year is that the percentage limit on charitable contributions will be reduced to 60% of your modified adjusted gross income. This means that if you've made charitable contributions of greater than 60% of your AGI, those may not be deductible. Another thing to watch out for is the investment income tax. This mostly applies to high income taxpayers, but it can be reduced by simply not selling stock or other investment properties until after the year end. Finally, make sure to check your capital gains. If your capital gains are too high, it may be worth considering selling some assets with a capital loss just to shelter your capital gains. Speaking of which, remember that you can also deduct $3,000 a year in capital losses against your ordinary income. Now, obviously there are more year-end items than we could possibly cover in this video, but hopefully this gave you a little reminder and perhaps a push to take care of things now. See you next time.